Find the distance between the points 1, -3 and 4, -1. We'll use the distance formula, d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. Remember, it's arbitrary as to which point you pick as x1, y1 and x2, y2. I will take them in the order they are, x1, y1, x2, y2. So the distance would be equal to the square root of x2, 4, minus x1, 1, quantity squared, plus y2, -1, minus y sub 1, -3, quantity squared. Let's simplify inside of the parentheses. D is equal to the square root of 4 minus 1 is 3 squared, plus -1 minus a -3. That's -1 plus 3, that's +2 squared. 3 squared is equal to 9. 2 squared is equal to 4. And so we have that the distance is equal to the square root of 13. You could use a calculator to approximate that, and rounding it off to 3 decimal places, it would be approximately 3.606.